mimi nimepiga kila mzima.
What serious?
Hiyo unaenda nayo huko juu. Niweke huko.
Hapa tuko ndani ya Emali. Emali ni mtaa mmoja katika Makueni County, which is my home county. Na leo hii nimekam through hapa manze kujaribu tournament na mavijana wangu. Tunajaribu kuwa empower, tunajaribu kuwafunza how to be self-developed in their lives. We have a tournament, 8 teams battling for a Super Cup today. Na tuko hapa kwa hisani ya Lotto Foundation. Manze, thank you so much to Lotto Foundation. Kila wakati ambapo unacheza Lotto, 25% goes to Lotto Foundation. Na tunakujanga mtaani kufanya vitu kama za leo.
Kwenye gala lao anakuja na kompeso kwenye timu hii ya Mali FC, wanashambulia sasa hivi. Gola vile nukia sasa kwenye usama na huku wanakuja huyu mzaji Feris aleta cross.
So experience imekuwaje?
Experience imekuwa fiti, isipokuwa haijakuwa rahisi. Timu zilikuwa zimejipanga poa, lakini na sisi tulikuwa kwa janja tukajipanga poa zaidi.
Kuanzia 8 manze, timu 8 zikibishania hii cup hapa hivi. Wasio kamenyana, then at the end of the day tumepata mshindi wetu ambaye ni
Mali FC.
Wapi watu wa Mali FC wewe?
The International Handball Federation brings you great sporting action that's full of pomp, color, energy, tackle, and thrill. The IHF Trophy Africa Zone 5 Youth and Junior Men Games, 8 countries, 16 teams, 36 games. All these sporting action to be held at the Ulinzi Sports Complex and at the Nyayo National Stadium Handball Courts in Nairobi, Kenya. Games start at 12 noon till late, as from Tuesday the 25th to Saturday the 29th. Entry is free. Only carry your identification document. This action is proudly brought to you by the International Handball Federation in conjunction with the Kenya Handball Federation in partnership with Lookup TV and Mudingi TV.
Osho mudimekanie, osho deshe tuongoro,
kiasi.
Nelly Opio.
The junior tournament, that is the under 20 tournament, Rwanda placing their
they have rivalry, they have a tough game, and reaching all the way to the semi-finals shows that, hey, we're here and we're tough. We are not here to play. So what do you expect from this match?
I don't expect much, but I know they are both fighters. You know, if they are both fighters, then now what we can say is may the best team win. May the best team win.
Team Rwanda.
This kind of energy.
Team Rwanda.
Yeah, exactly.
You need to cheer your squad and just show them.
All teams are here, South Sudan, Kenya, the teams that were participating in this championship, they are all gathered here to be entertained and see this match as we seek out to find, of course we have no champions because in the under 20, because the Kenya has already been eliminated, so that one will have no championship, and now Rwanda, Burundi, all
The International Handball Federation brings you great sporting action that's full of pomp, color, energy, tackle, and thrill. The IHF Trophy Africa Zone 5 Youth and Junior Men Games. 8 countries, 16 teams, 36 games. All these sporting action to be held at the Ulinzi Sports Complex and at the Nyayo National Stadium Handball Courts in Nairobi, Kenya. Games start at 12 noon till late, as from Tuesday the 25th to Saturday the 29th. Entry is free. Only carry your identification document. This action is proudly brought to you by the International Handball Federation in conjunction with the Kenya Handball Federation in partnership with Lookup TV and Mudingi TV.
Osho mudimekanie Osho deshe tuangoro Lengo kuona Nikapa habe mote igoro.
Murimu wa meciria ni murimu utangĩtigithũkanio na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
Wako sinjari na kuinamirira muno, irongo riu rikambia kudevelop wimbo na likambia gugutura.
Saratani ya matiti inaweza kukaa pale kwa matiti moja, inaweza enda pia kwa matiti ingine, inaweza pia ikahama ikaenda kwa kifua.
Changamka leo, changamka cheza loto. Leo ni leo, changamka cheza loto.
Aha, mambo freshi. Leo ndio ile siku hii gari inaweza kuwa yako. Imagine, hey, wewe unangoja nini? Leo ndio imepaki pekee. Changamka cheza loto.
Changamka cheza loto.
Over 18s only. Gaming can be addictive. Play responsibly. This message has been approved by the BCLB.
Changamka cheza loto.
Kwagia mairia o muthenya.
Nyitanira na izue mohoro-ini mathuthurie, mathorime na makinyaniru.
Kuma kaunti ciothe 47 guku bururi-ini oro hamwe na nja ya bururi.
Tukimumenyithia ciegie
uteti.
Congratulations on your election.
Urimi,
biashara,
mathako na mangĩ maingĩ. Nyitanira na niĩ Wangari wa Njoroge
na niĩ Kariuki wa Nduati,
tugikumenyithia maria marakunuka mohoro-ini ma Muthingi TV.
Kihumo gĩa gũtherema.
Loosen their yeah, they've got what it takes.
They have worked so hard to get here.
Yeah.
And they do not just want to get here and let it slip away. And,
so I think they've realized that playing 1-6 or 6-1 is helping.
Yeah.
When that is evident when unfortunately, that is evident when you see the defense. They are defending, but you see one person is coming out to block. Is it blocking? To prevent someone from this particular person they've spotted from getting. Yeah, it's 5-1. 5-1. Sorry, not 6. But I can see the Rwandans are doing the same. They're also doing the same. Yeah, but they're very keen. Only that that was a
That's why you see you cannot hold the person you're marking. You are defending.
Then just let them be.
Let them pass.
Yeah, let them pass. Let them be.
And I think the referee was just providing a yellow card that should have been 2 minutes. And now Burundi will just try to equal this up, and they do. So this is game on now.
Yeah, it's game on.
Very much game on. Have you picked a side, Marion? Have you picked a side, maybe?
Well, I'm definitely loving the Burundian Bible because
so you are side of Burundi, that is.
Don't get me to that side.
Well, you can see now, attack pace is coming into play right now. Both teams have started showing us pace.
Now that was a very, very silly pass. Should I say so? That is a very, very careless pass. You see, they were able to steal the ball.
Take a look at what is just happening right now. Rwanda are looking towards scoring a goal, and let's see if that will be possible. Check out the defense is really strong.
Exactly. Yeah.
Burundi could not really. Rwanda could not.
And number 6 gets a warning.
Another yellow card.
Yeah, it's a warning.
Yeah. I still have one more chance to get a yellow card, and then they'll be out.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
They love every moment, and they're enjoying every moment of that particular point. So let's see Burundi.
Yeah, sure. So Burundians are attacking. Yeah, that one. It means he shot while inside the goalkeeper's territory. Yeah, no, you don't want to step on the line. Yeah, it's a sacred, by the way, sacred area. Yeah.
Now Rwanda seeking for something out of this. Just passing the ball again, trying to find those places. Number 2 for Rwanda, trying to beat his man, and he does and scores.
And makes a score, yeah.
That's another goal for Rwanda. And Burundi take it on very fast from high range.
And it's a score.
This game is really exciting. Goal after goal after goal. And I think if you love high scoring matches, then this is the match for you.
This is definitely it. Look at that. Look at Rwanda.
Now, the Burundians, they have the Rwandans have lost the ball to the Burundians, and at the moment now they are planning on attacking, or maybe they are going to attack. I think they are planning. They're planning because the center is trying to bring them out because the kind of defense they are doing.
Rwanda are not slowing down on their pace on that one.
I'm not giving up without a fight, and it's a score. And without hesitation, the Rwandans, they just take the ball and continue. Yeah, when the Rwandans are still on the other side, the Burundians just take the ball and they continue. Like, there is no time to be wasted. Every time counts. Yeah. Yeah. Every second and every minute. So number 6 was brought back to the game.
This is a player who was won.
Yeah, the one who was won. Yeah. So let's hope that he plays well.
Oh, look at how
number 13. It was just this close to a score. Yeah. From the wing, it was just this close to a score.
I think he ought to have shot that one. Just trying to.
Definitely
should have shot.
Wasted chances. Don't want to waste any chance at this point.
Maybe Burundi here have a chance.
Yeah.
Let's just see what happens.
See what happens.
An umbrella, and he does, and goes on to ram against the post, and there we have the side net. Burundi number 5, and the goalkeeper wasteful with that breaker. He really should have started with his number 4, and
the goalkeeper is a good one.
I know, because that's a wasteful chance. We do not want to be giving the ball away like that. And Burundi here, they come again with their number 6 who have little umbrella. And
Wow.
Did you see that? Did you see that? In the air, in the air.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And it was a score.
Spectacular. Will they?
Oh, but it's score. Let's score. Let's all score. Every move.
Score and score.
Yeah.
I have to say, this game needs somebody to take charge of it because we just cannot keep going on a seesaw here. And number 6 is in, and the referee said you walked for too long.
Yeah.
And the goalkeeper starts with number 4. And here they come, Rwanda. And West Point possession.
And Burundi are attacking. Let's see what they're going to do. And it's a score, a nice one. That was a nice, they stole the ball actually and then made it to the fast break, and that is how they made it to a score.
And you have to say that, as I was saying, somebody needs really to get hold of this ball, take charge defensively, because we really cannot keep going on like that. You score, I score. It really is not a match, you know?
Yeah. That was a surprise shot.
Very hard defense from Burundi, number 16.
Burundi definitely don't want any.
Rwanda has to take this from a 9-meter spot and just pass it along, trying to beat his man, and beats 2.
No.
But
they
do not succeed in that.
What a beautiful block.
That's a fast break. It's a wasted score.
It's a wasted score, but you have to give credit to him.
The goalkeeper.
He really beat 2.
Let's see if he does it again.
The Rwandans get a score. The Burundi lost, and then they lost to Rwanda, and without hesitation, Rwandans just made it, made something out of it. There is no time to be wasted.
Burundi on the wings, and the goalkeeper blocks his lines. Rwanda on the run, number 5, passing it along, and down the wing, and
it's a score. The Rwandans are coming up very high.
Yeah, it's a very nice game.
Yeah, Rwandans are coming up very high.
Because Burundi have not scored twice.
Burundi, I think Burundi
have not scored.
Yeah.
And in those attacks Rwanda have scored. Then it's a very good game for Rwanda, but Burundi is seeking a way out. The centre man here trying to work it out, and he does. And it's in the net by number 16 from
Burundi.
And the Rwanda will just have to restart this, swallowing that one. We just passed seamlessly within the Rwanda defense. We have to just take hold of that, and that's another silly mistake from number 13. And he could get punished for that.
At this point, Rwanda wants to revenge for all the. Let's see if he does it.
You really have to be clinical.
You definitely don't want
You really have to be very clinical. And that's what you are saying about if I cannot hold you, I have to let you go. But if I can, then I have to hold you. And you can see from Burundi there, just getting hold of him very well. And he knows that it could have been a 2 minutes and a penalty, but because he took hold of him very nicely there. And
that was
just putting it in
that was should I say a bad block from the keeper, because he kind of did scored himself, right?
Yeah, he kind of did. From the angle, you really should be strong.
Or maybe he was too close to the line.
Because he should block it. So he really needs to work on that. But Burundi, we are seeking another goal. Just trying to work out their vision here, and Burundi gets a way out. Burundi number 6 has been clinical here,
17.
and on the wing, and
number 5 makes a score. Yeah, that was a very nice flow. Yeah, it's
and he knows it.
And actually the back players, they really made a nice flow. Yeah.
And I think the change has been made because twice from the right side, from the left angle, the Burundi has scored. And the coach has just made a change in defense. Burundi are very dangerous. Just taken
Let's see what number 3 does. And then the wingers. And it's a score. Actually, the winger targeted 90 and he got it. Yeah, he targeted 90 and he got it.
And I'm starting to think that these teams are two teams that are based on attacking from the wing.
Yeah.
So like they really know each other weaknesses, but you know your weakness and your strength is just where I have to go before I come to you.
Yeah.
The wing seems to be a very vital point for this team. And as Rwanda tried to attack here. Who steps up?
Number 17.
Let's see if number 15 is going to make us proud. Whoa. And he loses the ball. And he just went out.
Very wide.
Very wasteful. I think he has really disappointed the team. Yeah, the coaches.
Expected it to be
it was a very clear chance and Burundi number 17 again in the net.
Yeah.
And Rwanda has to restart again, trying
now time to revenge and take it. But the ball is
and
hot,
defense.
so.
The defense has been disrupted.
Take it back after losing the ball.
They're actually doing an open defense. Yeah.
But what do you think of the fumble? Rwanda seems to be fumbling a lot. You can see even the penalty taker just fumbled with the ball alone.
I think he didn't fumble with the ball. I think he didn't have a clear grip of the ball. Okay. Yeah, he just held it. And before he knew, while he was trying to maybe scare the keeper or maybe see the keeper's weakness, he released unknowingly. And I'm sure he was very disappointed.
Burundi is number 6 here.
Number 4.
He has been very clinical. Marion, we have seen that a couple of times, very clinical players in this tournament.
They have a beautiful connection with the number 5 in putting the ball.
Number 6 actually is the top scorer as per now. He has made another score, and let's see what Rwandans are going to do, if they're going to bring it back. And they did it. Yeah. It's like a compensation. Yeah.
Duly deserved.
Yeah, duly deserved. Yeah. Let's see what number 6 is going to do. Is he going to make a score like he did? He has been doing.
He tries.
Yeah, he does, and it's a space, and unfortunately, yeah, that was a good save.
Rwanda has to come up with a way to stop him because he has very good side steps.
Yes.
And his umbrella is equally well equipped.
I don't understand why they are not seeing number 6.
Yeah, this is the player who should be marked.
Rwandan score.
Rwanda number 6, number 3. This game is still a season.
So number 11 comes in after number 6. Let's see what that change means for the Burundian side.
Okay.
Will that change be impactful? It's just now to know.
Exactly. Now the goalkeeper left the goal. How do you leave that? He left the goal, and it's a score.
Look at that.
That is a big mistake, I think.
Rwanda here trying to compensate for that goal, and they found a man open in the brain.
But the goal thing.
But we have to talk about this player because that's the third time he's doing that. The goalkeeper has not really identified what his game is, so the goalkeeper really has to come up with an answer for Rwanda's number 13.
Yes.
Because that time he has done that and he has really scored. And Burundi here comes trying to sidestep, and he does, but the referee says the ball goes out. The referee says 9-meter free throw. Rwanda tried to take it quickly, but the referee says bring up listen to the whistle. And back again at it, number 8, and very cynical defending from Rwanda's number 4. Still fall.
Rwanda's defense is too strong. Yeah, to break at this particular moment, and Burundi are really struggling. Though now there is this open defense, and if at all Burundi doesn't see any space, I think they're going to.
Let's see if it takes advantage.
Yeah.
Oh.
The keeper was good.
Yeah.
But I think that was just straightforward. You really should try to get it at the angles of purpose.
Exactly.
That was just straightforward.
They take it quickly on their side.
Rwanda.
Will they use the same time?
Number 2 had clear shot, but at least it has been compensated.
Number 13.
He had a clear shot. Yeah. He had a clear shot.
The goalkeeper really needs to come up with
Burundians
something.
called this the timeout. It's timeout for Burundians.
And I think the Burundi side really identified what is happening, because on the right flank for Rwanda, they have been very clinical, and they have known that, and they have repeated it time and time again, putting the ball in the net from the number 13.
The goalkeeper from number 13 has been using the same tactic, so the goalkeeper really needs to look into that.
Yeah, he really needs to.
For him to deny them a score.
Yeah, Rwanda leading 17-16. And
that means Rwanda is just 1 point up.
Yeah, just
1 point up. This game is still tight.
So that is why we, in the beginning we said it's
give and take.
Exactly. Yeah, seesaw.
No team wants to let this go.
And Burundi just resuming from their timeout and trailing by a goal. But will they find a response here?
Yeah.
Let's wait and see. Make something out of this.
This kind of defense.
The defense is.
I don't know why they can't see penetration. I think maybe they should make runs.
And how to just
yeah, because it's an open defense. If one can just get an opportunity. Sorry.
They really wasted that. And
yeah, that was
Rwanda here, number 4.
And it's just
10 and
just this close.
Slam it on the floor.
Just this close.
Very hard slam on the floor. I can see what he was trying to do there, but that's wasteful. And Burundi here,
that was also
close.
close.
Off the post
and did you note how they fall? Number 3 just fell and rolled on the ground.
I was talking about this issue of the floor. I think it's a bit but you really have to get hold of the game and know how to play.
Exactly.
No matter the situation, you really should know how to play in that kind of atmosphere.
Okay,
and,
let's see what number 2 is going to do. And he made a score.
Surprise shot from number 2.
That was a very nice shot, powerful one. But unfortunately, they lost the ball.
The goalkeeper, they are just proven. It just proved to be superior there.
They lost the ball.
They did.
And then
the moment they started, they lost it.
And then Rwanda just threw a blind pass.
Yeah, they did. And
instead of giving a shot.
The goalkeeper was very superior to that shot.
Yeah.
Burundi should be thankful for that. But I mean, the two number 6 is back. I really wanted to talk about it. It was really magical here with his footwork, and Rwanda really have to be wary of it. Number 4 is number 17, and a player trying to pass through the 6-meter line, but caught, and Burundi just trying to take it very quickly, but the referee has to
This disrupted defense. Look.
Yeah, there's no one here.
Yeah.
They should take advantage of this.
And you walked for too long, says the referee. And
if only they open their eyes, they can see that there is space everywhere with the open defense.
With the open defense, they are always open. Yeah. But you really have to be good with your foot.
Yeah, exactly.
So that you can
very fast.
penetrate,
Yeah. That means I told you that they are of the same level. If it were maybe Uganda, they could have, made runs created space, pulled other players away, and then, you know, Burundi gets their first 2 minutes.
Suspension for number 6, and Rwanda should be thankful because that particular player was very
definitely don't want to
problematic. And let's see what they will do with this penalty. Remember they wasted the other one, yeah?
Yeah.
Will he and
they have missed the second one.
They really need to get hold of this.
No, I think the goalkeeper is wide. He's huge. Yeah. So they can't easily see the post.
And the referee did not see that, but it's happening right in front of our eyes. Burundi just stepped out with the ball.
Okay.
The referee did not see that. Burundi here with the number 8 trying some footwork, but the goalkeeper is too smart. And to the advantage.
That was more of rugby, right?
Yeah, some push and a lot of it.
And it's a block.
The goalkeeper.
It's a block. That's good. That goalkeeper is a good one.
Keeping Burundi in this, yeah?
Yeah.
He's keeping Burundi in this, and you can see number 8 trying to bring out the game that number 6 was bringing. They are trying some footwork, dancing right and left, but to no avail so far.
Yes.
And number 10 here tries the jump shot.
Unfortunately for the Burundians, it was a score.
Should really have caught that.
You get what you give.
So Burundi here, number 10 with the ball, just trying to find a way through, passing it across to
and number 4
13.
attacking, defending number 17 from Burundi.
So the backcourt players for Burundi just are playing it along, passing it along, and they're just trying to find a way through. Remember, Rwanda has been solid. This open defense,
and also they are playing one less.
And they find a way.
And they find a way.
Yeah, we talked about making runs. Yeah.
How can't the Rwandans see that Burundi are less? But yeah, it's like they know that they are going to just compensate for the loss.
Yeah, we talked about this open defense, and they have to make runs, the Burundian side, and that's what the number 17 just did. They made a very good run through the spaces and found the ball, but unfortunately they conceded immediately after that goal. So they still have to work on their defense, this Burundian team, so that as soon as they score, they can also defend, and that's reducing the margin. But the score line is goal after goal, and that's number 2 just puts in the net.
At times, each side wants to just score. And
let's see if the keeper is going to make a save on this one. The Burundians, you know, we have known the trend. It's
back than to score.
Exactly.
No,
sorry. Now that is a penalty. Yeah. You know, we have known the trend that they score, we score, they score, we score. Now, I just wanted to know if the goalkeeper from Rwanda's side was planning to block that one. But unfortunately, on the penalty side, they have
we've talked about
lost.
putting it straight to the keeper, and that's what he did there. But fortunately for him, he won a penalty, but the ball was straight out.
So Burundi is now pressure to also take it up straight into the net. So that is a give and take. So after Rwanda has
the Burundians make more steps than required, and that is why they've had the foul, right?
Yeah, timeout right now.
It's a timeout for the Rwandans. They have called for a timeout. I think they have spotted some weaknesses that they need to strengthen or to work on, and let's see what they're going to come out with. Yeah, for their attack and defense. Yeah.
Rwanda can feel this getting worse for them, and you can see the coach trying to point at the scoreboard that look at that. How do we find ourselves at this situation?
Exactly.
Really to up the game. And we talked about the team that will really take hold of their defensive masterpiece, and that will be the team that carries the day. And as you can see, Rwanda here. Just the coach is not really satisfied, because leading with both the scores, that is not really satisfying. Because defensively, you are also conceding a lot.
And you know this is just first half.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens after the timeout.
And some wiping of the field will be needed.
They should have spotted some few mistakes that we are seeing. Yeah, and maybe made looked to improving. Yeah, and I hope that Burundian coach also is able to maybe see the weaknesses of the Rwandans, because if they are not able to do that, then I think Rwanda is just going to be really hitting them hard. Yeah.
And it will be very
You see, they have just resumed, and Burundi are back to their 5-1 system of defense, and Burundi really having it hard, but just they're trying a little bit of creativity from Rwanda. Unfortunately, the ball just goes wide from number 2. You've seen him through such kind of surprise shot, but unfortunately for him, that one did not go as planned, and Burundi here just trying to make it sidestepping here.
Notice they marked number 6 because they have noticed that this player.
But the kind of defense that number 5 is giving number 6 is a very wrong one. Yeah, because how can you defend someone from the back? That one is not a good defense. And, so if he wants to defend this person, then he should be in front of the person. Yeah. How do you defend someone from the back? It's going to be a foul, or maybe a 2 minutes, or maybe a penalty. Yeah, and which is going to cost them.
The Rwanda just trying to get away through here with a 9-meter tape, and number 4 passing it to number 2 and to the wing, number 13.
It's a penalty. It's a penalty. That was very bad.
Yeah, you cannot hold. It's very dangerous for him, and he has just the referee did not hesitate, and I think. Yeah, it's a 2-minute suspension for him, number 13. And I think Rwanda's number 13 has been very clinical in that area. And Burundi, Rwanda here has got another penalty.
I've made an observation.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! For that
I've made an observation.
Yeah.
I think Burundi are getting a lot of 2 minutes.
Yeah, a lot.
A lot. I think they should minimize on that.
We should really be talking about and I think it's halftime. What is really happening? Yeah, it's halftime. And
yeah, it sure is a halftime.
What do you guys think about Rwanda's penalty kick?
Very
because they've been missing on penalties.
So Rwandans are leading with 23, while Burundi 19.
Well, we have to talk about that penalty situation.
We have to definitely talk about
3 penalties and only scored once, and that was just because the rebound did not go very successfully for the keeper. He had lost it. So almost 3 out of 3 lost, but let's call it 2 out of 3 lost. And, they really need to change their penalty taker, because that one.
Was it Burundi or Rwanda?
It was Rwanda.
Yeah, Rwanda 3
penalties and penalties. We really should convert all of them.
Yeah, I think when it comes to penalty, I think they should try to find out who has been throwing good shots, whose shots are just on point or on target.
Because you see him stepping up. Yeah, he has taken twice, because the other one he was suspended. Rather, not suspended, but he walked out after his second, his first shot that drifted wide.
So could it be that there is this one particular person that know that it's just penalty for you, no playing? Has that person been the one that the same person that has been shooting penalty? Has he been playing inside?
Yeah, he has been, but I think he's their number 1 penalty taker. But you know, sometimes there are days that do not go accordingly to you.
I saw him leave.
Yeah, he had left.
Yeah.
So they definitely need to change and work on that.
Yeah, sure.
Because they don't want to carry that to the second half. It will be very costly for them. them. Remember, Rwandans are leading regardless of the points as early as it is. No point should be slipping out.
23-19. What do we talk about the defenses of both teams? What do you guys think about these defenses, the kind of defenses that you have seen today?
With this team, me, I'd say they're just Rwanda and Burundi. They're just on point when it comes to defense. It's just defense. They're just okay. It's now the tactics they are giving at attack. You see, I see most of the time the Rwandans, they are having an open defense. That means only had the Burundis just fast footwork, then it's just easy. It will be working for them. Yeah. But they take time to realize. They take time to realize that, hey, there is a space over here. They take time to realize.
For me, I second her, because we noticed, like we said, we noticed that there are gaps and spaces there that they should be taking advantage of that, but clearly they're not seeing what we're saying. You know, for us, we can see everything as it happens, but for them, they haven't. We expected from their timeout they will be able to point on those areas and just mark that, you know, this defense, we can actually work our way through it and get the ball to the net. But
unfortunately, in fact, I noticed that when they came back, it's like they're worse than before they left.
Really?
Sometimes I was
from timeout, and then from that they are just
fumbling.
Yeah, I was talking to coach about this timeout. If you take, sometimes they just take timeout, and then when they come back, they're worse than how they were before. Yeah.
Let's talk about Rwanda's number 13 from the wing, from the right wing.
Oh, the particular player who has his own style of scoring, but the goalkeeper seemingly doesn't. He hasn't really found out.
I don't think he has realized that number 13 has just 1 point of
scoring.
Shots. If he realizes this, I think he could make some saves.
Because
what should the defense do to get hold of that particular player? Because
you know he has made
given them a penalty, a sending off, and he has gotten about 3 or 4 goals from that point.
He has made many scores, so I think that they should identify him. If they have not, they should identify him.
And then we talked about for the Burundian side, which are the players that are standing out at this point that you've seen that are impactful?
Burundi, number 6, and then could it be? Was it number 2?
There's also number 17 from the right wing for them.
Okay.
Very cheeky and very high pace player. Could you see him run through spaces? Rwanda is using the open defense. You could see him very fast. If they're coming from 10 meters to the 6-meter line.
There was also number 10.
Yeah,
number 10 number 10 is fair
for Burundi. But I won't spot specifically that there is this particular player in Burundi or Rwanda. Only that they are like the one that is outstanding at the moment is number 13 that keeps on shooting at the same strategic point. This particular point, he has not changed.
He hasn't. Actually, we noticed
he
that
hasn't changed.
Like, how come you didn't realize that this player is just in that same position? So
but only they are all fighting the same.
What about the defenses being used? We have seen the open defense being used. We have seen the 5-1 Burundi. Which one do you think really clicks in this match? Which one do you see?
Open defense is working for the Rwandans. It's totally working for the Rwandans, but it's not working for the Burundis that much. That is why there is that goal difference. Yeah, it's not working. So I think maybe they have tried also 5-1, which is also not working that much. Maybe they should now employ 6-0.
Yeah. 6-0. You really have to see what the other other side can bring, they have jump shooters, but they have not really tried that.
You know, if they have jump shots, then that means that they should be the defense. They should be ready to block, to get to give blocks.
And we also talked about these players always down on the floor. What is up with all that?
The floor is to blame.
Or maybe the shoes.
Could we blame the floor or the shoes or the players themselves?
That one, the players will give
Or
us
maybe,
a
maybe
you have a new theory.
Yes, I have a new theory, but I don't know if it's fun.
Let's hear it.
No, this theory is that maybe, you know, there is another way of gaining sympathy, or maybe gaining 2 minutes and foul. So it could be a strategy to get 2 minutes to give someone a foul and you know.
It's a theory. It's a theory. You never know.
Yeah, so you never know. Because every time, I don't know, it's kind of like an exaggerated fall. Like someone rolls more than 3 times.
And we're just wondering, like, why is he on the floor?
On the floor, more than 3 times. It's scary. I was like, okay, maybe this is not handball. This is another kind of sport that.
At first, we thought it's maybe it's the mistake, maybe the floor, but it kept happening frequently.
Yeah, and it's not like the person is rolling just once. Even that he's rolling 1, 2, 3, like you. No, and there was another one that the player moved, you know, from the field to the seats up, the front. I was like, okay. Even if you wanted to block that ball, wow. Wasn't that so exaggerated?
So what do you think that should be the changes? What changes? Let's first discuss on Burundi. What changes should they bring if they are to catch up? They are 4 scores behind. If they have to catch up in this, what changes should they bring?
No, I think now it's brain work. Because initially I said that now it's intelligence that is going to save these people. So you see, like they know how to make fouls. Fouls is going to save them, by the way. If either team decides that we'd like to make fouls, fouls is going to give them an opportunity. You see, and then slight mistakes like maybe that kind of leaving yourself, freeing yourself, making yourself fall. You know, you can go and then the defender just attacks your neck instead. You see, that one is at 2 minutes and it works for your advantage. Just please don't get hurt. Please just don't get hurt.
What changes do you expect for Burundi?
For Burundi, like she said, it's a give and take. So more or less, we've seen both sides more or less the same in terms of defense, different strategy, but same energy. So they definitely, on the falling part, please, apana. We want to see, we have had enough.
I think this game has shown me more of attack. I'm really not convinced on defense. I still think that the team that will get hold of this game, I really have not. I've seen better defense from the games that have been played here. Ethiopia, though they lost, but they had a very good defense.
Yeah, sure.
So I still need to see more defense from these 2 teams because I'm really not satisfied with that. But the coaches, though, they have seen that, as we have seen. But it's about how much your players implement what you tell them. It's not about how much you tell them, but how much they implement it. You know, we can talk and talk, but the implementation part is hard. But
and right now, I can't also say that maybe what they were taught yesterday could work right now. Yeah, they should just do what they have been doing in trainings.
So coming into the second half, we're expecting some difference, so to say.
We still expect some difference. You can see them just warming up and trying to just get in the mood for the second half, and you know, the final slot is in that stake.
Everything is on their hands right about now because it's in a quest to get into the finals. So everything you do right now is a determining factor. You want to avoid those mistakes. You want to avoid wasting those chances. Because at the end of it all, you want goals, and Burundi needs to catch up at this point. But the difference is slight, so anything can happen.
So is this game
Anything can happen.
Is this game won?
You cannot say it's won.
No, you can. This is just second half.
Yeah.
And the score is 23 versus 19.
23-19.
23-19. Rwandans are leading with the 23.
Mainly from the pace, I just feel like from the pace and from the energy of both these teams, it's too early to say which team is
it's
going
too
to
early.
So at that point, tumezidi kusema ya mchezo ni 1 full hour. It's all until the last whistle so that you can know which one will be able to do the other. So action continues. Let's see what happens to the Rwandan side. Will they be able to get to pass this defense? Tunasema kwamba wamemwaga ubasi, wamemwaga ukuta hawa vijana wa Burundi.
If the goalkeeper saves the day, or maybe the goalkeeper saves the time. Have the shot.
Let's see if they'll come up with something.
Burundian.
Now in Burundi.
So at this particular moment, the Burundians are attacking, and so far number 4 has spotted, number 4 from Rwanda has spotted number 9 from Burundi, and the defense is working for their benefit. Since the Burundians have lost the ball to the Rwandans. Let's see what the Rwandans are going to do. Are they going to convert it into a score, or they are going to lose the ball just like
they
lost it? Just like the Burundians did. At the moment now, the Burundians are having the ball. They are going to attack, and
definitely on both sides.
Number 17 passes the ball to number 10, who then returns it to number 17 because he has noticed that he has been
marked,
that there is no space, and
let's see what happens.
Now they are complete, and let's see how.
Number 12.
It's a score.
Straight into the net. In a very
Burundians are catching up with the Rwandans.
They definitely need to catch up at this point because they're trailing. So Rwanda.
Now they lose the ball.
They lose the ball. And number 6 quickly to number 7.
It's not a score. It was just this close to a score.
Very close.
Yeah, it was this close to a score. Yeah.
So the referee has just given a match. Burundi just trying to penetrate, and the goalkeeper does not.
They're still unsuccessful.
Somebody is on the ground.
He's on the ground and he's trying to.
Could it be number 12?
Number 12.
Number 12.
He seems like he's in pain.
Though he's still going to get that 2 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, he's still going to get that 2 minutes.
And you can see the paramedics from Orleans just trying to come along and assist there. And he's just in pain there. And you can see the paramedics just treating him out. As Burundi just trying to discuss their way out. I don't know what they are talking about, but
whatever they're saying, I hope it really works out for them at this point.
No, the goalkeeper is complaining about the ball. Could it be that? What could be the problem with the ball? Because I can see they're just rubbing it on the floor.
Remember, this floor has been played a lot. It looks as a bit dusty, so the ball might be slippery.
Okay.
So they need to add some glue on it. And they have done that.
Now the Burundi have the opportunity to take penalty. Let's see if it's going to.
Oh my goodness!
Why? No. You see, this guy, his penalties, all the penalties are going this side. What is wrong? Even his shots. Yeah. So I think the Rwandan keeper has just realized that this guy is shooting more on the, on the left.
That could be it.
Yeah.
Rwanda does something.
So he goes there and waits for him there.
And Burundi just trying to put it into the open net, but unfortunately for him, that ball, he took it just too quickly before he could step on before he was on the right spot to take that, and Fortunate for him, it won't
Number
come.
5 feels so disappointed.
Very disappointed.
Yeah, he hoped for that throw to be a score, but unfortunately not. Number 9 has made more steps than required in handball and lost the ball to the Rwandans. Yeah.
Rwanda just trying to get hold of this. Stepping well, Rwanda number 3, but it does not.
Number 2
just
passes back.
Number 4,
and then that was a nice umbrella, though there was too much steps. Yeah. And let's just go. The goalkeeper, where was the goalkeeper?
Where was to give an advantage, you know, that tactic where we give your team an advantage, the goalkeeper goes out,
they cannot
an extra player comes in, but now you have to be legal with the ball because the moment you lose it,
no, they can't do that strategy with they can't do that strategy with
quickly hands to number 16, loses the ball.
You see, they can't do that strategy with this kind of team. This kind of match cannot allow that. Now they'll be losing.
Enough number 15.
What has number 15 done?
He just took the ball a bit too long after the whistle gone. He just have to let the ball go.
Okay.
The referee calls for it. And he just took the ball too long and he's punished for that. Now Burundi.
So the Rwandans have incurred a loss, meaning they are playing one less. Let's see if the Burundians are going to take advantage of that. Now they make a contact. That is, how do we call it? Charge.
But he should have played a bit like his winger had a better chance than just lost his way.
It feels like number 9 is struggling. It feels like he is under pressure to score.
Rwanda number 3 passing it to 13 and again it does again and again. How much longer will we be talking about it?
It seems after the outbreak they did.
Number 13 is a good player. From the Rwandan side, it's a good player. He's a good player.
Burundi here just trying to attack this one out, and number 17 has no options, and his backcourt player was just left behind. Here they try again on the wing with number 5 and off the post.
And did you see the kind of attack or defense the line player was giving? You see the kind of defense. Number 2 made sure that the opponent was just in front of him. You see, yeah, he made sure that he pushed the opponent to his back. He made sure that he himself, number 2, was in front of the attacker. Now, how would he get the ball? That means just a slight move, and he's inside inside the forbidden territory.
Rwanda here just trying to enlarge the gap. The gap is still 4 goals. And Rwanda trying to be cheeky and off it goes on the floor. And luckily for him, I felt like he just slipped on his own, but the referee has given them a 9, and he takes it far away with a jump shot, but the goalkeeper does not allow that. And Burundi here try to respond with a
Number 5 has realized that there is no hurry in Africa. Let us just take it slowly, and then unfortunately they lost. Yeah.
The goalkeeper comes to their rescue here with another beautiful save.
The fact that he decided to take this game slowly made it possible for them to see each other. You see? Yeah. Unfortunately, the Burundian is inside the forbidden territory.
Could have been a very beautiful goal.
So once you're inside the forbidden territory, it doesn't matter whether you score.
You have to be aware. And they're sending off Burundi 11, 2 minutes suspension for him. And we are back at the Rwanda have the advantage here. As they resume this one. Remember, they're still trailing.
Yeah, Rwanda has the advantage.
I can't see number 9. Number 9 is out. From Burundi. Oh, number 6. Yeah, number 6 is back.
Number 17 paves way for number 6, and number 16 just takes a charge as
number 5 comes in, communicates, but it's unfortunate because the defense is tight. They take it back. Oh, he misses out.
They have to ask where are the Rwanda, the Burundi's juniors, the youth team. I do not see them. Do not know if they are present.
They've been missing in action, actually.
You can see the Rwandanese team, the under 18 giving the morale to the seniors.
It's always important to hype your.
Burundi have got another penalty, and out of 3 penalties, he has lost one. And here he comes again, a chance to make it 3 with the keeper, and off the post. He tried to change his side as he
was nice.
It works against him,
and it's a score.
Very good jump shot.
So the Burundians simply lose the ball, take the ball, and
the pace.
And another penalty for Burundi.
The Burundians simply lose the ball to the Rwandans. The Rwandans don't waste time with the ball, and off they go, and it's a score. Yeah. Oh, and it's a penalty.
Yeah. Number 6 has changed that from number 14. Will he now? Yes, he does, and I think they just might have found a new penalty taker here.
Yes, exactly.
He got 50% chances. The number 6, that is, he got 2 goals and wasted 2. But I think now they have got a new penalty taker, number 14. I think he will be taking them
Rwanda wants to revenge, and they revenge it.
I think the Rwandans have lost touch of their strong defense. Yeah.
That we saw in the first half, right?
Yeah. And we said that it's going to be skills. Yeah. Unless they're giving up. Yeah, unless they're giving up. I hope they don't give up because wow, that's a score.
I don't expect that to go in, but the goalkeeper was slipping.
Oh,
and Rwanda number 4.
There is no time. There is no time to waste.
That's one thing.
Number 4 from Rwanda.
Again, that's the second time he's doing that.
I think Burundians should just. I think they should slow the game.
That's one thing we've noticed with Rwanda. When they get the opportunity, they definitely want to maximize it as much as possible.
Yeah. I think they should slow the game because they're going faster and they don't know that the Rwandans are faster. Yeah.
And they're losing a lot of chances.
See, like that one. It's a
number 4 to number 5 and number 4 again. Will he make this count? Yes.
No.
The goalkeeper
blocked by the goalkeeper.
No.
Give it up for him again.
That was a very open play.
Nice one, goalkeeper. Nice one, goalkeeper.
Gone in, but very beautifully saved by number 2 here. Very clearly used.
Number 11.
Number 2 jersey.
Number 17 comes in for Burundi.
Oh my goodness. The goalkeepers are really making this guy.
I do think that sometimes you see these fast break shots one-on-one. Sometimes they can mess you up if you are too overconfident. Yeah.
The goalkeepers just taking charge of this and enjoying the match, making their star shine bright. Number 4 with a
particular player.
Rwandans are doing themselves.
And number 4 in this second half has been very
Number 4, yeah. He's the outstanding one.
Number 13 seemingly has been marked out. But they're not working the ball much. If they work the ball, then number 13 gets his chances.
Now I'm sure of the team that is proceeding.
Oh, now you
can ask me.
Now I can ask you which one.
Rwanda is taking this game. Rwanda is taking this game.
There goes nearly choosing sides here. Number 17 for Rwanda, wasted chance.
Yeah, because up to this point, we can see that Rwandans are putting more effort. Yeah, they're putting more effort and they have more points. That will take Burundians to recover. Yeah, it is going to take time.
Let's see what happens right about now. Number 3. Number 3 has been marked.
More steps and at least the advantage is that he was held. Otherwise, had he made those steps without being held, then Number 6 will incur another 2 minutes if he doesn't take care. And this time round it will be red.
And there we might have found it. We just spoke about that, and this might be it. This might be it.
Oh my
and
goodness!
And there goes that sending off. Is it a that sending off?
I said it.
Is it a that sending off for him? Is it a that?
I think it's a that. Let's see what happens.
If it's a that, then it's a red card. Let's see what happens here. No,
it's a second.
Second, and he
But
just got away with that.
But if he comes back, or when he comes back,
He really has to be careful.
Yeah, we talked about
because
the way
now
he
this one is going to
Rwanda
take him
just
out
trying to be cheeky, and there he goes. An open ball through the legs of the goalkeeper.
Yes.
And now Burundi really
Rwanda are
getting
coming in
frustrated.
really strongly. Have you noticed?
Burundians need motivation. They need motivation because they're losing it.
Yeah, Burundi here just needs to compose themselves and get something out of it. Here comes
now
Burundi.
they are having fumbles and they can't even see themselves.
Number
Like they're all
17,
lost.
yeah, driving
Let's
it
see what
hard
number 8
to
is
the
going to do.
winger,
And number 9.
and the goalkeeper takes charge again.
Nice block.
Now will Burundi take this one quickly, but they do not.
They take their
just
time at this
compose
point.
themselves. And number 4 here comes very quickly, and the goalkeeper takes charge of that.
It's a block. It's
a very
block.
good save. He really should have a shot at it.
Yeah.
Amazing save.
I think he should. Why can't he just shoot straight? Why is he just hitting the goalkeeper?
Really just
You know
tried
that
to
is just what is called hitting the goalkeeper.
He tried to be a bit tricky, and number 16 was open.
Look, they are all 4 angles. All 4 angles. Why can't he aim on their angles? Yeah.
Burundi here.
Now let's see what Burundians are going to do.
Will they make it?
They lose the ball to Rwanda, and they know Rwanda's not
Rwanda
That was tricky. How can you just make those saves? Yeah. Too many steps.
Too many saves. That was a walk.
About losing the ball anyhow.
Number 3 should be careful from Rwanda. The way he's following, you know, just a slight skill from number 8. I know that is where
it is very heavy, and he knows that he can take 2 people at.
Yeah, exactly, or not even taking 2 people. You see, we were discussing on how 2 minutes is brought up. You see how our foul is done. You see, now if he doesn't use that skill, then I don't think they're going to gain points.
Look at Rwanda trying to just make another one.
Comes
Oh
Rwanda,
my
number
goodness,
13,
number 13.
in the net. He does not miss from there. He does not miss.
He never misses from that particular angle.
The goalkeeper has not
On the other side,
chance of that.
number 13 was shooting at which side?
On the right side, and now he's on still on the right side. For
He's
him.
still on the right side. That means that this man just likes right.
Yeah, and goalkeeper has not learned anything, and
I'm surprised that
or maybe he has just learned. He has learned about him, but
Oh,
he's too good.
yeah,
He really is just too good.
he could be the finessing at it.
I think you know if he was shooting on the right side, on this side, that means on this side he should be shooting on the left side. I think
But he's
that
still on his right. That's his right side.
That's the right,
His right
from
side.
where
that
he is.
and
Yeah.
This was his right side. So he's at his. I think that's his.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And Rwanda seemingly to take this one will be
Easy,
converted.
this time not just taking their cool easy,
And
trying to
very
communicate.
quick
Number 3
footworks,
again.
and that one was in the net, but the referee has not convinced.
I think the Burundian touched. He tried to block.
him on the way,
him on
Again,
the way.
Number 3 with a beautiful umbrella, but it's brought down. And there's a 2 minutes
It's a red
here.
card.
And that's a red card for him. A sending off. A red card for Burundi's number 6.
It's a red card.
That
Number
sending off, that
Number 6 from Burundi has in fact a red
that's a
card.
red card.
We talked about his style of play.
They really have to miss him. He was very clinical for them.
Yeah.
And now he's off, and Rwanda must breathe a sigh of relief here.
And like Nani said, we talked about his tactics.
Yeah.
This particular player, and this time it goes all the way to red card.
Yeah.
So I'd like to see how Burundians play without him.
And there was number 8. Oh, he's in.
Yeah.
He seemingly was taken. And here comes
very
number 4.
skilled.
Very skilled.
Very skilled with the ball.
And just passing it around and very good defense.
I think they should be careful with how they defend because they are less unless they want to release another player.
Very costly on their side.
Yeah.
Rwanda just coming in here.
Rwanda are still
trying to take 2 men, but
trying to penetrate through the wall of Burundi, which is a little bit tough.
Yeah, it's a great
and
wall.
the man is open, number 15,
Number 15.
who has been clinical.
That was a nice job.
He has also been clinical on the wings for
I told you everyone in this team is just...
And then I think Rwanda has perfected their wing shots.
Yeah.
Because they are taking them all.
We have noticed from number 13,
number 15, all their wingers are very clinical.
Yeah.
And Burundi is really getting frustrated with this.
Pressure is...
I think there's going to be a...
And here, he just lost on that. The ball was just too quick for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, number 13 there.
So definitely
having a very good game. He's very much enjoying this.
So definitely we want to see how Burundi now participates or engages at this point. Because
number 14 has been excused because I think of an injury.
Number 14?
Number 14 from Burundi.
From Burundi?
Yeah. I think he's kind of bleeding.
He's on the bench again.
Here comes Rwanda, number 13. This time is marked and passing it along to his center man. And they are open on the other wing. And it's a goal! Very beautiful shot.
I love his way of celebrating his goal.
Rwanda are really enjoying this.
They're enjoying it.
Really just celebrating this. And that 4-23 is the scoreline.
Yeah, 34-23. Oh my goodness. Can they come back from? You're now more confident than you're now more confident than ever.
No comeback.
Wow.
You know there are a few minutes to the end of the game. I don't think there can be any comeback.
Enjoying this. You
Unless
can hear the chant. You really can hear them chanting.
They're now confident. They know
are really supportive of their people.
We are going to the finals. They can feel it. And frustration is on the Burundian side.
You can see them during timeout. They're just sipping water, relaxing, and
because
they
they
have
even if they come back from timeout and relapse, I don't think
much can be done. At
no,
this point.
much cannot be
too
done.
Much.
Because time is
this is
TikTok.
What is the difference?
TikTok.
11 goals.
11
goals.
11 points.
That's a lot.
11 points in handball with a team like Rwanda.
Do we have
yeah, miracles do happen in handball, but not with that goal.
Not with Rwanda. The defense is tight. The goalkeeper is denying them.
And everyone is on point.
I love how they communicate with each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that means if Rwandans are going to meet Uganda in the finals.
Yeah.
Now it's going to be a game.
Let's see what happens.
Rwandans versus Uganda.
So now they seek consolation. Burundians number 8. Oh, they miss it to number 5. You definitely don't want to lose the ball. Number 3 again. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh,
interesting.
You don't want to lose against Rwanda, do you?
No.
It's very costly.
You can see the coach. They are just getting
yes
and taking him out.
No, he's actually checking it out on the player.
He's taking it on number 8.
No. Especially when you know that there is nothing you can do about it.
Yeah, that's
times of pressure. This is what we're talking about.
I think up to this point, maybe they should accept that this is
well,
slightly
and they're very cheeky.
Number 2.
Very clinical with these abilities.
The goalkeeper didn't even do anything.
Yeah, he couldn't. He really couldn't. He talked to people on the way there, and when he saw that he has gotten the goal, the keeper was already out. He just took a finesse shot. And here he comes again.
Number 2. That is number 2
again.
Yeah, back-to-back goals.
Back-to-back.
I know Burundians are praying that before I say that, number 9 was a technical person.
Notice they make a change on the keeper. Number 2 is out, so number 3 has been brought to try and just defend. So Burundi makes a change on the keeper to see.
Let's see if
they can be able
Burundi
to
are going to come out of this attack with
I think Rwanda knows they have gotten this.
And
he's open again.
No! It's not
easiest because you know he actually moved the line player actually moved them towards the other direction and came back to the other direction. You see?
So to say the change of Burundian coach
Burundi, yeah, maybe they can find one and
not
it's
at all.
not.
Plus, I know number 6 was a critical
very
player.
crucial, yeah? And we can see the gap that has been created for the Burundi side.
They'll be urged to behave from throwing objects into the pitch.
You definitely don't want to see some of that, and you could don't hurt the players, don't create some slippery floor. Yeah.
And number 15 is open in the net. He does it again and again and again. What do we say?
What should we? I'm starting to believe in Nelly now.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. There's no other way.
No, the problem is the goal difference. It's becoming wide.
Yeah,
it's
wide. It's widening.
I think they should just work on letting it go.
Yeah.
I mean, they should work on reducing
enjoyment.
But even if they're enjoying, I think they should work on reducing the goal difference because wow, that is very, very bad.
That was a very beautiful pass, but unfortunately, number 12 did not get hold on that. And number 15 here is open again. And this time the goalkeeper takes charge of that.
He is keen this time round.
For the first
what
time
has just happened? I don't see. I didn't catch
they lost the ball. They tried a very beautiful pass. And they lost the ball and Rwanda.
Burundi.
Here comes Rwanda again.
I2I Burundi number 10.
And then it's a score.
We definitely didn't expect that to be out.
They have waited
it would
for
be
that
very wasted.
They have been waiting. Number 10 has at least reduced by one.
But Rwanda don't seem to.
They are not panicking. In fact, they are having fun.
Number 4.
Yeah, they are number 4 and 15 is open.
15 again.
I think the goalkeeper is giving a lot of chance.
No.
He's not manning his near post very well.
No, I think at this point it's pure tension and frustration.
There's definitely pressure.
Yeah.
And it can be evident. So as much as the Burundian coach made a change for the keeper, it's not working out. It's not working out.
Now they've lost the ball. Let's see if the Rwandans are going to
I know that. Beautiful from number 15. He feels it.
Am I the only person who has noticed that number 3 has played the whole match? I think the goalkeeper is exhausted.
No,
it's a change. Like I said, it was a change.
But I didn't see number 1 play.
Number 1, I think he has not played.
He has not played because they started with number 2.
And here comes Burundi and they get one back. But will Rwanda let it rest there? They do not, and they think attack right away and he's out. Just lost momentum there.
Yeah.
And trying to take this one quick, but the referee is very attentive. And you have to take it the right way. And
take it all back. Consolation for Burundi, they try, as much as pressure is on them, at least kufuta machozi. Mtu ambao la kufuta machozi, jamani.
Now I also know that Burundians are praying that this match may end. Because
they really don't want a humiliating defeat.
No, that is going to be a very great humiliating defeat.
And here comes Burundi.
Nice one. It was a nice shot.
People on the way there.
I told you, if only they could play like this for maybe 5 minutes, I think they could
change it again.
They could come close to changing.
Just reduce the deficit.
Yeah, reduce the deficit.
The timeout for Rwanda.
Rwanda
coach just trying to.
It's 41-26.
Oh my goodness.
Rwanda leading with 41 and Burundi 26. There is no comeback.
There is definitely no comeback at this point because it's 41-26 and I have to commend the way the communication of the Rwandan side, how they see each other. They don't lose grip. Unlike what we've noticed in the Burundian side.
I think the Burundians have been demoralized.
Very much demoralized. They are out of
it's like they are out of the game.
Can you feel the gap of number 6 at this point now?
No,
yes, it's felt. He was actually really helping in defense.
And I think the coach has just instructed them to take it up a little bit slow because they still have a game to play tomorrow.
They
are through in the finals. So they really don't want to get injuries and all that.
Yeah.
But, let's see how they play this.
But I don't think the coach has told them to take it slow. There is no time to take
There's no
it.
time to waste. Let's see what
Burundi are trying open defense and it works against them. Number 14
everybody's
gets one in the net.
enjoying this.
Number 14 makes that shot.
Yeah,
number
and
14.
Yeah, number 14
the
makes
open
the shot.
defense for Burundi, they tried that and Rwanda specialists for that.
No,
Remember
open
they were
defense is
doing
not
it?
for Burundi.
Yeah, it was for Rwanda. Remember
Yeah,
that
it
specialist?
works. That is what is happening.
Yeah,
It's
so
an
if
open
you
defense.
try that against them, they will really punish you. And
That
did
was
not
that
go in.
close.
How
That was
did
that
that
close. No,
not
it did
happen?
not hit the line. Yeah.
So they take it all back, trying
Let's
to
see what Rwanda
still
is going to
frustrate.
do.
They're just
their-
working their patterns, yeah? Just trying to put
They-
flowers
oh,
and that
and
team is
it's
open.
13.
Oh,
This is
the
okay.
referee just saw him getting
No,
cheeky.
he was actually making more steps than required. I think he was just close. Why wouldn't he just make 1, 2, 3 and then
not yet comfortable with
not comfortable? Maybe he was not ready for the ball. Yeah.
Number 10, we saw this. Number 10
Let's
score.
see.
Number 5.
Goalkeeper, what a save. But I did not have counted anyway. Because he had already encroached on the 6 meter line. Yeah. Could not have yet counted.
So as much as even if it would have been in,
Rwanda here just celebrating the moment.
raising
And,
their
yeah,
flag,
yeah.
just enjoying the moment.
They know
because
they got
they
this
know
one in the bag,
the gap is very much huge.
That gap is too huge
Yeah.
to.
Number
And
13
they're not
taking
slowing
two
down.
and
That is a run. That was very bad. It was a
Oh my
run.
goodness.
Really had them in his pocket
I've
already,
noticed that Rwandans they run a lot.
They do, yeah. They run
No,
a lot.
they walk a lot. I mean, when I say run, it doesn't maybe make sense to them, but they walk a lot. Yeah, that is unnecessary. Too much.
They
step.
definitely don't want to, if they get to the finals, they'll be meeting Uganda. They definitely don't want to make some of those, running too much. In the finals, you don't want to see some of that
Just
game.
having a check on the clock. You can feel this one is
They look overconfident though.
it's running away from Burundi.
See, open defense.
Trying being cheeky and the goalkeeper takes save of
The
that, but
goalkeeper. It's just that the goalkeeper was alert, but the open defense. It's not working for the Burundians.
you can see them. The Rwanda have just tried to rest
And
their key players.
oh,
We're talking about resting key players. Number 15, number 13.
and that was a shot by number 10.
Yeah.
Now let's see what number 17
Number
is going to do.
17.
Pass to
And
number
here
14.
comes again, beautiful goal, beautiful goal.
He loves
Number 14
it.
makes a
Very beautiful
score.
goal.
The Rwandan side loves it.
Why are the Burundians allowing this huge goal difference?
Rwanda
And
have
massive goal
the
difference.
players that are scoring right now, they're fresh.
They're
just
fresh.
coming.
They've noticed changes in number 13, number 15.
The key players
Key
are
players
out.
are out. Number 2.
Just trying to give them
number
a
3. Yeah, they definitely. That's a wise change.
Yeah.
Because at this point, nothing is to be lost anyway.
Very true.
So if you're
Up to this point, I think that the Burundians should just, I think they should slow the game because it's not working.
It's lost.
Yeah, they should slow the game
Here
because
comes
they're
number
losing balls
17 for
unnecessarily.
Rwanda.
It's a score.
Again and again and again. And the goalkeeper can do nothing about that.
Nelly, you talked about you don't want to run too fast against Rwanda. They have
No,
a
no,
faster
no. They
pace.
have, they have footwork, nice footwork, fast footwork, and the Burundians, I think they should slow the game because see, they are losing the ball and the Rwandans are not hesitating. As much as they're scoring, it doesn't make any difference.
It's no different because we score.
The goal is different. So I think what they need to do is
Then they
just
make another change for the goalkeeper.
Number
Just
5
trying
out.
to
Number
rest him.
what? 8. Number 8.
And you can hear the anthem is on. And Rwanda here just frustrating
Number
their
14
neighbors
again.
number 14 makes a score.
Beautiful.
Just enjoying
Why
the
are they in a hurry?
I
Look,
don't
what is
understand.
Oh, they
happening?
lose their grip again. You don't want to
number
lose
10
against
just
Rwanda.
passing it
Number
nicely.
14.
Number 14
again.
is dominant,
Oh
is,
my goodness.
Proven to be
I think they should slow the game. They should slow the
They
game.
should definitely, because it's working against them.
Yeah. The speed is working against them. They should slow the game. But I don't know why they just insist on going too fast.
Here comes Burundi again.
Something.
Number 14
wow,
is so alert at the defense.
It's really been a very interesting match. Number 8 is back and
It's
wow, that's a beautiful goal.
That was a nice shot. Yeah. And it was a calculated move.
Yeah, very much. I think it's something they have done over and over again. It just does not happen.
Yeah,
you have to have
I think it's just that they're demoralized at this stage.
Rwanda trying to take one, does and passes it beautifully. Wow.
Number 17.
And number 17 is laughing at number 5.
Game over. The score is
over. 48, 29.
What a gap.
Rwanda 48. Burundi 29. That is a great gap for semi-final.
You have to admire Rwanda. They took hold of this game defensively, as I said, and they took it attacking also.
Joel, this is not what we expected when the game started.
Yeah.
You know, when the game started, it was nipe ni kupe, but
exactly.
It changed. Now it changed was quite something.
I think they got exhausted in the process.
Yes.
Very beautiful game for Rwanda here, as they take charge of this game and of course advance to the finals, meeting Uganda in tomorrow's game. Right hand
so what?
Burundi rather will have to face. Burundi will face who in the
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Yes.
And
what a game! What a game!
And, you have to give it up for them. You have to say. What do you think? What do you think happened here?
With the team, Rwanda versus Burundi. I think they got demoralized, or I think maybe Rwandans got motivated, highly motivated along the way. Because trust me, according to how we've watched their games, Rwanda and Burundi, they were matching on the same level. They were walking on the same ground. But now, unfortunately, due to the large gap, large difference in the goal, in the scores, it is Rwandans are great.
Rwandans just build the confidence. For me, I love their pace. I love their combination. I've been talking about this. I've been saying that, you know, Rwandans have nice shots. If it's number 15 communicating to number 2, they don't miss.
Their coordination is
perfect. Coordination is perfect. And this will be something Uganda will have to look into. If they're watching the game, this is something that is very crucial because their coordination is perfect and they don't miss a chance into the net. For Burundi, we have noticed, like she said, demoralization. They started well nice.
They actually made it, Rwandans made it to themselves to make every move a score.
Chacha, what's your...
Yeah. They have... Yeah. And it was a fair fight.
Chacha, we definitely want to hear from your side. Tuambie kaka.
Mama nimekuwa fresh now, ladies shine. Asante sana kwa kweli, matangazo mazuri, nzuri. Hapo kesho itakuwa ni finali ya Parashamba Kuchanika. Itakuwa ni finali ya mwaka 2018 kati ya Rwanda na Uganda. Hapo ndipo tunamalizia matangazo yetu ya leo. Jina langu ni Chacha, tukutane hapo kesho. Kama ilivyoanza kufanya acha ndio. Sawa.
Hii ndio ilikuwa inanipatia tu worry juu. Ilikuwa